Okay, Palmyra Siargao. So definitely, we really wanted to create a space, no, that is really culturally bonded. But however, we wanted to really preserve what is the real culture in the island. So don't be misled by the idea of development versus environment. Okay, sometimes because of development, we are going to sacrifice a little of the environment. So in the place that our chairman Maylani owns, no, she inherited it, and the best thing about it is she's an only daughter of that piece of land. So actually, she inherited 7 hectares of land, and what we're going to develop is only 1.79. Only 1.79. How is that? And I was able to appreciate nindot madaining usaratang anak no kay wa tay labad sa ulo di ba chairman. So anyway, prior to that, that 1.79 hectare is really quite a challenging area because when you go to the site, it's really a remote. Now, you can really see there a little jungle within that protected area. But however, as an architect, I was able to see that in these remote areas, that is where the drama of new development comes in. No, can you ever try to imagine here in Cebu, this place, long before this was nothing. Can you imagine that? And can you imagine also the thing right now that's called the Disneyland or even the Monte Rasas at the top of the hill? Those are remote areas that were not really developed. Same way, although we're not copying it, same way also the concept of people would be asking, why defining a good development in a remote area called Cancohoy in Del Carmen? And why not? No, it's a very dramatic experience to do a very good development in Del Carmen, not in GL, okay, not in the PA, okay, because one thing for sure, no, Del Carmen is the gateway of development of the entire Siargao Island. A big hand to the mayor. No, because without the mayor, Del Carmen would not be a so-called map on earth. Now, this is something very dramatic, Mayor, that you told me, and I was so touched of that because as an architect, I'm just really saying, oh, it's just a part of development, but there is something drama on it when it comes to the pursuing of this journey. Mayor once told me that long before he was not able to stand in that service, people used to sell kidneys. Tama ko, Mayor, no? Sometimes that's why I'm so touched. People sell kidneys just to go on the life, no? So why we put on more drama on it? Because being our chairman, Ma'am Lynie, a person who is really a native there, we are not only looking on the development, the profit, but it's more on the stewardship of a person. Could you just imagine a co-Filipino just to sell kidney, just to go on life? Did you feel it? So sometimes Mayor is so dramatic when he told me that. So together with the chairman, I am with you and together with the incorporators, this is really more than a project. This is a mission to uplift what humanity is called for. So that's why Palmyra Siargao, because it's made of love. No, it's a made of commitment to the environment. There's stewardship in this binding thing. So it's not a mere investment type that we are going to launch right now. There is something called being responsible of how we do things properly. We are not the first player when it comes to the development, but for sure we will be able to mature as we go on with the excellence together with Mayor, no, Attorney Torion, and of course the team of the incorporators. They are, and not to mention Sir Allen is coming from the States and he has a very good experience in doing all the construction. Engineer Aldrin and Engineer Kim, and they will help us in doing this. And we also wanted to emphasize that we have contractors to collaborate in the development. We have from ACQ from Davao, the ACQ Solomonic Builders. We also have the APN construction, and we also have the Deep Earth Contractors. They would be the one who will collaborate in doing this entire project. So what's in Palmyra? It would be, there will be 3 items to be identified. This distinctive definition. One, it would be a destination resort. So it would, because there's no body of water. It's not facing an ocean or a sea. So we have to create our resort, no, to complete this biodiversity. Second, there would be residences. No, do we call it residences, not condominiums? No, it would just be a three-story residence because of the CAAP. And since it's really a protected area, governed by PAMB, Protected Area Management Bureau. And the third, we will be introducing a lifestyle commercial center. Okay, so that would top up the entire development. And that's it.